Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, how are you all? Welcome to Life Solution for all of you. Today I will tell you something in the light of Islamic verse. If they do, you will get ready of that anxiety. Friends, nowadays, because of lack of good things and because of not eating right, we start to have stomach aches, and you do not want to go to the doctor and not eat medicine. Today we will be told the process of an Islamic verse that you can overcome your anxiety and pain. Do not forget to subscribe to the Life Solution.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لا فيها غول ولا هم عنها ينزفون.
Friends, you have to read this verse 5 times and bloom it on your stomach. By the grace of Allah, your pain will soon be relieved. Allow me for now. God Almighty will take care of you.